Latest pictures emerging, not sure which day, but the attack clearly still going on. This is the first time you and I have seen these pictures, but you can just see the terror that is happening there.
That's terrible. Security guard probably at the back, and the woman and covering her child. I mean, that's shocking, a shocking image. That looks very much like the cafeteria, doesn't it? Probably on the Saturday or the Sunday. Okay, I don't know if that is a security guard, but that could be a family, but there's someone shouting at them. This is the first time we're seeing these pictures, by the way. Oh, that poor girl.
Look at the top right. There's just evidence there of some blood on the floor.
Yes, yes. And this is obviously an interlude of the firing. A warning for anyone just really joining us, some of these pictures could be distressing. We've screened them first for violence, but they're pretty distressing seeing that. And that is that same girl, I think, being carried out.
It is the same family escaping successfully. But a real insight, Tim. You know, we've been reporting for the last 4 days on what had happened in there, and just that sense of terror, confusion.
Yeah, well, there was a moment in that, I mean, it's only a brief 60 seconds, but there's a moment where that young girl in the red looks up and there's just this absolute fear and bewilderment on her face, which really captured, you know, how awful it was, and also just what happened to ordinary people caught up in it, who've got nothing to do with whatever it is that Al-Shabaab want, which is Kenyan troops out of their country. But yeah, the girl, we can't see her now, she's hidden by the counter, but in a moment either the security guard or a bystander or her father picks her up, and the look on her face is just one of terror and bewilderment.